I always feel so stupid saying this. Oh my god. I am not affiliated with the education that I provide. Oh, damn it. Oh, God. If you do resonate, any opinions that I express are my own and not those of an employer. Okay. I'm going to communicate. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right. I'm going to teach you this, like, how hand weakness. The link tree information for me. Nope. Just a reminder. Hi, my adaptive devices. Oh no. Muscles in the hand. Many kinds of people experience these simple. Ugh. I hate recording myself. I feel so stupid. I think I sound like a nerd. Nerd. Yeah, I know. Dork. Okay, anyway. Before my husband is just making fucking noise in the background as much as he can. Anyway, of course he has to say, oh shit, as I am recording and I have to restate the sentence.